Hello, I have this nice little aluminum USB 3 hub. Has 3 ports and a network port, and I've been having some little problems with it. So I'd like to open up and try and see if I can fix it. And you can see here at the end, the cable started to do this thing where the outer plastic that's supposed to protect it, it's no longer in this little, I'm not sure what you call it here at the end, that helps to protect it and keep the cable from breaking. So I actually wanted to try and get that back inside. But my first thing was when I looked at the thing, I couldn't figure out how to get it open. And I wanted to show you that it's just these black pieces on the end, these nice shiny black pieces are just a piece of plastic that's glued on there. It's a very, very sticky glue. And all I did was I took a knife like this, and there was a little place at one point where I could get the knife in and could just get it up a little bit, and then using a screwdriver like this I could get it under, and then with the knife between the two I could then eventually get it off. It wants to just snap right back down and go sticky. The other end where the network, the 1 gigabit network port is very similar. You have a piece, you see, like this that fits over it, and it was just a matter of going inside like here on this side and then pulling up. And I actually pulled up with the knife and then kind of stuck the screwdriver in. And then once I had the screwdriver in, I could move the knife around to separate it all off. So I'm going to see if I can open this up a bit more and take these Phillips screws out and see if I can slide everything out of it. So I took the 2 Phillips screws out of this end and the 2 Phillips screws out of that, and you can see them there in the little tray. Also forgot to mention that I at times would hear something rattling around inside this little guy. This one is branded with this Keedox, but if you look on Google, you'll see there are a number of different companies that are selling these. Look exactly similar, like they're all clones that basically some company made and then put the name of whatever company wanted to sell them on them. Looks like if we just pry this out here, take this piece out here, it feels like it's just going to slide right out. Yeah, looks like the whole thing will then just slide right out. And then I should be able to try and see if I can fix this cable here, get it back inside the slip cover here so that it has some strain relief. I think I just found what was rattling around. I don't know if you can see it, but right here there's a little solder ball, and that could be what has been causing my problems. I've had problems with the network disconnecting and these type of things. See this little solder ball sitting right here? Just pick it off. It's kind of glued there right now, but that little thing, it looks like, was rattling around inside there, so that can't be good if it was touching this, that, and the other at times, and would cause something to not function like it should. So I've had a chance to work on the USB hub. And I found that there was an LED that was not lighting up that's in here. You can see it right here. This guy, if I plug in the USB cable, you see I've taken and resoldered the connection there. And now that LED lights up, so I get an indication of when the hub has actually been plugged in. Not sure if it was so important or not. I've decided that this connection here on the end, where the the cable, the outer cable housing is coming out and it's not going in. It's going to be too difficult to put this in, so I'm going to actually tape this guy to give it some more support there. Didn't show you this earlier, just going to show you the inside. Just a machined hub through. They have a place here where the screws are actually going in on either end, and then down here, these slots here are actually holding the circuit board, and of course up here you have the 2 things, and this is actually keeping the USB ports in line. Now I'm going to take and go ahead and put this together. So I was able to put it back together, and I've taken some tape. I have some of this Eco repair tape here that's kind of a cloth type tape, and I figure it will give a bit of a strain relief. I'll wrap some of that around the end here. I think I'm happy with this now, this repair that I've made. Let me know in the comments if you've had problems with these. I would be interested to know if anybody else has had where the wire has pulled, the outer housing of the wire here is pulled out also of this plastic, this molded plastic piece is supposed to protect here at the end. They do come in a box, or at least mine, this Keedox, came in a box where the cable was bent almost really tight. The box was just a bit wider, maybe about so wide, and so the cable was bent almost at a 90-degree angle right here shortly thereafter, and I'm guessing sitting there like that in shipment is what pulled it out. Thank you for watching.